Hey, it's English, buddy. Today we're going to solve one of the most confusing, uncomfortable moments in American English. Small talk. Why it exists, what it really means, and how to survive it without panicking. Anywhere, with anyone. So take a breath, grab your coffee, and walk with me into today's lesson. Imagine this. You're in a New York cafe. Morning rush. You're standing in line, half awake, holding your card, mentally rehearsing your order. And suddenly, the person next to you says, "Crazy weather today, right?" Your body tenses. Your brain empties. You smile awkwardly, searching for the correct sentence, asking yourself, is this a question? Is this an observation? Why are we talking about the weather? Do I need to respond? Yes, you do. But not because the weather matters. It doesn't. You're being invited into a tiny social ritual, a ritual that reduces tension, creates comfort, and signals friendliness. This is small talk. Connection without commitment. Here's what nobody tells you. Small talk is not about deep meaning. It's not about sharing opinions. It's not about starting a friendship. Small talk is simply a social handshake. A quick way to say, I see you. I'm friendly. We're good. That's all. In American culture, silence with strangers can feel cold. But going too deep too fast feels too intense. Small talk sits in the middle. A tiny bridge between strangers so the space feels comfortable. For example, when someone says, "How's it going?" They're not checking on your life or long day. They're not asking for details. Staying warm out there? They're not discussing meteorology. Let's go back to the New York coffee shop. The stranger says, "Crazy weather today, huh?" What they're really saying is, "I'm aware of you, I'm open, I'm friendly." Let's make this line feel less awkward. Your simple reply, "Right? It's been all over the place," completes the ritual. No deep thoughts, no personal information, just a shared moment. Two humans acknowledging each other. And then it's done. Here's something surprising. Americans judge social comfort before intelligence. Meaning, you can speak imperfect English but sound friendly, and they'll think you're great to talk to. Or you can speak perfect English but avoid small talk, and they'll think you're cold or distant. Most international learners misunderstand this. In many cultures, conversation is about meaning. In the US, small talk is about emotional ease. This one insight changes everything. Now let's elevate your small talk instantly with two techniques native speakers use unconsciously. 1. The soft laugh. A tiny, warm exhale, not a loud laugh. Yeah, it's been unpredictable lately. This signals approachability. 2. Mirror their energy. Not copying, matching. If they speak calmly, slow down. If they speak fast, tighten your rhythm. If they look tired, soften your tone. This creates subconscious comfort and makes your responses feel natural, even if they're simple. This is your toolkit. 5 preset replies you can use anywhere, with anyone. The agreement response. Right? It's been wild lately. Use when they comment on something shared. Weather, traffic, long lines, the room temperature, how busy everything feels. Purpose. Join their moment and reduce tension. The shared experience response. Tell me about it. Today's been nonstop. Use when they express frustration or tiredness. I'm exhausted. It's been a crazy day. I need 10 more coffees. Purpose. Validate their emotion without going deep. The polite bounce back. Good. How about you? Use when they ask, how's it going? How are you? What's up? Purpose. Keep it light. return the social gesture. Americans don't want details here. They want rhythm. The light humor response. Yeah, Mondays are doing the most today. Use when they make a playful complaint. I'm not awake yet. Why is this week so long? My brain's still loading. Purpose. Show cultural fluency, plus friendliness without being too funny. The exit line. Anyway, hope the rest of your day goes well. Use when you need to end the interaction. Elevator doors opening, your order is ready, the line moves. You need to leave politely. Purpose. Close the moment gracefully. This is seen as confident and respectful. Let's practice how these tools work naturally. Stranger says, "This line gets longer every day." You reply, "Right? Looks like everyone woke up needing caffeine." Stranger says, "Seriously." You reply, "Anyway, hope the rest of your day goes well." Simple, smooth, friendly. No panic, no pressure. Just a clean, confident interaction. Also, let me give you these 3 common mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Overthinking your answer. Small talk is simple. Overthinking kills the flow. 2. Giving too much information. Americans find long, detailed answers overwhelming in these moments. 3. Freezing into silence. If you panic, use a filler. Totally. For sure. I hear you. You only need one line to succeed. Let me tell you something important. You are not bad at small talk. You are navigating a culture where the purpose of conversation is different. In many cultures, conversation equals meaning. In America, small talk equals comfort. Once you understand that, everything changes. Small talk becomes easy. It becomes predictable. It becomes almost relaxing, and you stop feeling like you're being tested. You're simply joining a rhythm that Americans rely on to move through their day without friction. If you forget everything else, remember these 3 truths. Small talk is emotional politeness, not meaningful conversation. Short, warm responses work better than perfect English. The rhythm matters more than the topic. Master this, and suddenly, the coffee shop feels familiar. The elevator feels comfortable. The office kitchen feels less intimidating. You feel like you belong, because you do. If this episode helped you understand American small talk in a deeper, calmer way, subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me bring you more real-life English you can use today, everywhere. Thanks for listening. I'm English Buddy. I'll talk to you in the next lesson.